In the early 1980s, Indore, India, faced a severe housing shortage, with an estimated 51,000 families homeless or residing in illegal settlements. In response, the Indore Development Authority launched an affordable housing project for 60,000 people, aiming to address the issue efficiently while remaining affordable to both the government and urban people in poverty. Previous attempts at low-cost urban housing had been slow and resource-intensive, primarily focusing on ready-built units. The Aranya housing project, completed in 1988, stood out as a model project. It was designed as a site and services project spread across 86 hectares, accommodating over 6,000 dwellings, primarily for the weaker economic section. The project embraced an integrated approach for a sustainable society, allowing different economic levels to coexist harmoniously. Architects traditionally contributed little to housing for third-world urban poor. However, the Aranya housing project challenged this notion. It was a study in using land as a resource to produce affordable housing, exemplified by its thoughtful design and provision of options ranging from one-room shelters to spacious houses. Doshi's design incorporated a hierarchy of open spaces, emphasizing family and neighborhood while encouraging adaptation and personalization. Doshi's approach involved providing families with a framework rather than a finished house, allowing space to be shaped according to fundamental needs and lifestyles. This dynamic concept facilitated the growth of homes over time, ensuring connectivity and adaptability while preserving a sense of community. Each plot was equipped with essential infrastructure, emphasizing architecture as a system and process. Through both his design commissions and his foundations work, Doshi emphasized the importance of durable infrastructural systems and analyzed social structures in housing. The Aranya master plan aimed at serving economically weaker residents, with plots ranging from 35 square meters to accommodate basic needs while allowing for potential upgrades. Aranya is made up of a thoughtful system of houses, courtyards, and internal pathways. The design prioritizes natural light and cross-ventilation, with courtyards and public squares shaded by adjacent buildings, creating a conducive living environment. The street network ensures clear segregation between vehicular and pedestrian traffic, enhancing safety and encouraging community interactions. The project features a hierarchy of community spaces, with every 10 clusters of houses sharing a courtyard. Each of the 6 sectors has its own green spaces and a larger public area for the entire township. The project site had black cotton soil, leading to the use of small diameter shallow piles with poured concrete for inexpensive foundations. The climate of Indore was effectively considered, with houses clustered in low-rise blocks oriented to minimize solar radiation. Residents were given freedom in construction and decoration, with locally available materials and traditional architectural elements utilized. Residents were empowered with the freedom to choose the extent of construction. Doshi's innovative approach included a kit of elements carefully extracted from his extensive experience and understanding of user needs. This kit comprised various architectural components such as staircases, openings, railings, overhangs, and verandas, each serving as adaptable building blocks for residents to tailor their homes according to their unique requirements. By providing families with this versatile toolkit, Doshi empowered them to personalize their living spaces, fostering a sense of ownership and belonging within the community. This approach not only promoted user involvement in the design process, but also ensured the flexibility of the housing solutions offered by the Aranya project. Doshi's approach challenged conventional housing norms, resisting repetitive multi-story blocks in favor of integrated townships with varied amenities. The neighborhood plan incorporates varying widths and bends, with an efficient layout around the service core, optimizing infrastructure and minimizing construction costs. Growing up in a bustling household in Pune, Doshi developed a unique perspective on housing, emphasizing the importance of space evolving with its residents. His own residence, Kamala House, exemplifies this philosophy, evolving over nearly 6 decades to accommodate family gatherings and celebrations. So, then what happened? Why did Aranya seem to fail? The reality is that almost all of the original 80 model houses have been demolished. Only a small number of the red houses, as the original homes are commonly referred to, still stand, with the neighborhood having grown organically all around, eventually absorbed by the sprawling city of Indore. In the mid-90s, the Aga Khan report recognized the exceptional qualities of the 80 model homes, but added they were already the remnants of an idea that has been eroded in the last 5 years. The project faced challenges due to various factors such as inadequate infrastructure, lack of resources, and rapid urbanization. Despite its innovative design and noble intentions, the project struggled to fully address the complex issues of housing and urban development. Additionally, bureaucratic hurdles, financial constraints, and socio-economic disparities may have hindered the project's success. While it made significant strides in providing affordable housing, the project's impact may have been limited by the scale of the housing crisis and systemic barriers to effective implementation. Although unsuccessful, Doshi highlights the need for architects to engage with the reality of urban challenges and clients' needs, recognizing that their role extends beyond mere design to address pressing societal issues.